You guys aren't gonna believe what's behind me. It looks like one of them Supra type cars. Oh my God, I feel like the Strad man. I'm so excited to see this car. What is this thing? Is this the new Supra? Is that the Audi? Is that an Audi? Oh God, look at this, an Audi or something. What is it? What is a Lamborghini? Lamborghini? Oh my God, that was a rare car, guys. What was that? Anybody knows what that was? Comment down below because I'm so excited. Nah, I wasn't really excited to see that car. I'll show you what excites me. See, I got my own race going on. Oh, 50 miles an hour on the old washboard road. Truck's handling it perfect with these aftermarket suspension systems. Oh, look at this dip we're gonna hit. 60 miles an hour. Whoa, getting a little loose in the rear end there. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh man, this road. We're gonna get it whipped around this corner right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, God, I feel like I'm in the Baja right now. I missed this so freaking much. You guys have no idea. Taking the turn 50, 60 miles an hour, 70, get it. Oh, that rear end just broke loose. We still have 60 PSI in these tires. Oh God. Hold on to your hats. Hold on to your freaking hats, breaking it loose. Oh God. Whoa, whoa. Oh, look at the winds. The winds are 40, 50 mile an hour gusts. Tailwind, perfect. Whoop, whoop. Coming around this corner, God, I feel like Robbie Gordon, you guys. Hitting this at 45 miles. Oh yeah, that was a big one. Robbie Gordon, he'd be hitting this stuff at a buck 45. Here I am doing 45. What? All 6 inches of suspension, just soaking it up right now. Soaking it up. Just doing some pre-race tire pressure check, lug torque check, fluid check. Everything's good to go. All right, it's almost go time. Everyone's getting ready to line up right now. Charlie's around here somewhere. Truck's dialed in, ready to rock. 20 minutes. Are you ready, bud?
Yes, sir. I'm about ready.
Have you been hydrating?
Hydrating a little bit.
All right, all right.
We're ready to go. Apparently it's a little fat, a little sooner than expected, but...
All right.
I'm wearing my finest.
This is where the butterflies start to begin in staging. A lot of cars. It's going to be an epic afternoon of racing. All right, we finally made it out here in Johnson Valley, McKenzies 300. Nice wind on the track, keep the dust down. Helicopters are flying. Epic day of racing today. Charlie's lined up right now. He's starting in the very back of the field. He's got a lot of traffic to work through. He's going to be the last car off the line. There's about 50 to 60 cars. So he's got a lot of traffic to fight through, but he's going to figure it out. I can't tell you guys how good it smells out here. With all the race fuel burning, just bitchin' cars. Charlie, Charlie. Clinton, give him the beans, brother. Give him the beans. Good. All right, so we're back at the pit. Rear end's looking a little. Got some fluid on the rear end a little bit. All right, so I'm headed down to the start-finish line where Charlie and Clinton have passed the start-finish line. They just officially went through. They got 6 laps of the 7 laps complete before they shut down the track. So let's go see what them boys are up to. First place finish, 1400 truck. Well, Charlie, you brought it home, brother. Clint, you guys brought it home. What place? What place did you get?
First place.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Right on. Congrats, you guys. What's all the big fuss over here?
So first of all, we had a blown out gas to begin with against SAR. So after the race, we decided to elevate it, and it started right up. Not only do we have one hole in here, right past the alternator and the motor mount, right down in there.
Oh yeah.
And then go ahead and come on this side for me. All the stuff you saw spewing used to be where the oil filter used to be. And there's about a big foot and a hole in the motor block right now.
Look at the crank.
Oh my god!
Check this out. Check this out.
There you go. Here's what it was.
And you guys were just, we witnessed it running right now.
Yeah. Yes. Drove to the trailer.
Oh, Toyotas. Unbelievable.
This is amazing. I love it.
All right, Jesus at the 1469 car has a broken upper A-arm heim. These dudes are fixing it in the middle of the desert. Freaking awesome team effort. No other damage. And it's now saying 2 vehicles on their lids. Somewhere out there in the open desert. All right, Jesus is back into the race, man. These guys all worked on his car. Not even on his team. Frickin' bitchin' job. Well, and just like that, this adventure's over. Charlie got first place in the 1400 truck. Freaking epic time today. 0 issues. Just overall epic race out here in Johnson Valley. Time to hit the road back to Canyon Lake. We got some fish to catch, some beers to drink, and Charlie, congratulations, brother. You deserve it, man. 10 years of building that truck. You and Clinton freaking crushed it today. Congrats to you too. Well, thanks for tuning into the channel, you guys. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I love off-road racing more than anything, and I hope you guys like it. Subscribe to it. Join me on my next race. Who knows when that's going to be? Maybe a Baja race. I have no idea. And we'll see you guys at the next race.